everyone and welcome to your second online class. I'm teacher Cleo and today we are studying mixtures and solutions. But first, what day is today? Today is May 8th of 2020. Yeah, new month, same quarantine. We got this, everyone. We got this. First things first. What is a mixture? Well, a mixture is something that is composed of two or more substances. There are two different types of mixtures. The first one is the heterogeneous. In this one, we can see the different individual parts of a mixture because their molecules are mixing together, so we don't have to separate them visually. For example, when you are mixing strawberries and cream, you can see the strawberries and you can see the cream. The second one is an homogeneous mixture. In this one, you cannot see the parts that compose the mixture because their molecules interchange when you mix them. For example, when you dissolve salt in water, you cannot see the salt in the water because it has dissolved. An homogeneous mixture is also called a solution. Solutions are composed of two parts, the solute and the solvent. The solute is whatever it's going to dissolve in our mixture. It's usually a solid. The solvent is whatever our solute is dissolving into, usually a liquid. Let's see some examples. When you are making hot chocolate, you usually have two components. The first one is milk, which is going to be our solvent, and the second one is cocoa, and this is going to be our solute. You put the cocoa in the milk and then you mix together. And not long after, you cannot see the cocoa in the milk because they have combined together. If you were to weight this new mixture, you could see that it's heavier than it was before you added the cocoa. However, you cannot see the changes. On the Google Class platform, you're going to find a PDF file with what you need to copy for the day. Please go there and download it. Once you're finished copying it, come back. Press pause until you're finished. Look at the screen. I'm going to give you 4 examples. These are everyday solvents and solutes. What I want you to do is tell me how do they work. On your notebook, next to the name and the picture, you're going to write down how they work. If you can't write it in English, you can write it in Spanish. But please try to use English as much as possible. ¿Ok? Let's begin. Te voy a mostrar 4 ejemplos de solventes y solutos en la vida diaria. Lo que quiero que hagas es que los copies y los dibujes y después me expliques cómo es que funcionan. Si no puedes hacerlo completamente en inglés, no hay ningún problema, pero trata de hacerlo lo más que puedas. Si es necesario, apóyate del internet o de un diccionario. Vamos a comenzar. First, we have blood. Inside our blood, dentro de nuestra sangre, there are nutrients, and these nutrients are solutes. How do you think this works? ¿Cómo crees que funcionan los nutrientes dentro de nuestra sangre? ¿Por qué son solutos? Press pause until you're finished copying. Example number 2 is when you take a shower. When you are taking a shower and washing your hair, water is a solvent and shampoo is a solute. How do they work? Let me know. Press pause until you're finished copying. For our number 3, we have a paintbrush inside some water. When it comes to paint, water is a solvent. How does this work? Press pause until you're finished copying. And finally, we have some nail polish and some nail varnish remover. In this case, the remover is a solvent. How does it work? Press pause until you're finished. Once you're finished writing and copying down, please take some photographs and send them to me via the Google Class app. I will check them and grade it for you. And that's it for today's lesson. If you have any questions, don't forget to write them down below or in the Google Class app. And please follow the instructions. Stay home, be safe, and wash your hands. I will see you next time. Bye bye.